guys, we're back and welcome back. So I know we said that we were gonna do like a question and answer video for our third video, but we couldn't wait. So why we couldn't wait? Because we ordered this online and we didn't think that it was gonna come this fast and early. So we got this in the mail. So it's called Snack Crate. So what it is that it's like a monthly box from around the world. So you get candies and snacks and yeah. So you get to try like everywhere around the world. So we don't know, we haven't opened it yet. So we don't know what country we got yet. So we're gonna open it and see what we have. You excited?
We'll get some bologna candy.
I don't think so. Okay. Before we start the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And then there's a bell button next to a subscribe. You can click on that, so whenever we upload a new video, you get a notification, so you don't miss our video when we do upload. Okay? Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I'm excited. Okay.
I haven't had candy in a while.
I know, he doesn't like candy. Like, he doesn't eat it.
I like candy, I just don't eat it a lot.
Because he says there's too much sugar, but I love candy. I'm so excited, as you can tell.
My teeth is not used to eating candy. I'll never eat candy, so yeah, I never chew candy or gum, so I don't.
Well, it's not only candies. There's like chips and stuff in there. We'll see. It's a snack.
There's no gum, right?
So I'm so excited. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, Snack Crate. Here we go. Ooh. Look. We got a sticker. It says beat the heat. Summer is here, and that means some items can melt. Place your crate in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Ooh, I don't think we did that.
Look at these pictures.
I think it's probably because there might be chocolate in there, and then probably in the heat it might melt. But we don't know that. Like so we got
calendar?
New Zealand. That's our country. That's exciting. Let's see what's in there. Oh, there's like what's New Zealand's about and like the fun facts from their country.
Oh, so that's the candy we got right there?
Yeah, up here. Ooh. Okay. Let's put that away. Okay, ready? You wanna open it? Oh my, you ripped.
Well, here we gotta rip it
so
anyway.
Excited.
Oh, we got some
Ooh.
chips.
What is that called?
Take this to work today.
Okay. It's called Etta Ripple Cut Chicken. So it's like a chips that tastes like a chicken.
Oh, then you see it. Let me see.
Open it. Let's taste it. New flavor. My mouth is watering.
Alright, let's have some chicken breast.
I guess.
Want some chicken breast?
Yes. Is it good? It smells like chicken. It tastes like Ruffles. Right?
They are Ruffles. They're just chicken flavor. I mean, they're alright, I guess.
Yeah, it's like Ruffles.
It tastes really like that seasoning you put like in food, like chicken, you know, for the chicken thing, right?
Like a rosemary thing.
Yeah, some kind of seasoning.
Yeah, that's so good. But it tastes like Ruffles, so it even looks like one. So, okay.
Okay, next one. This one is Muncho's spicy tomato.
Spicy tomato. Oh, I love spicy stuff. Let's see.
So
ooh,
that little.
It smells so good.
Like some little fries.
Smell it. You go through the crunch. It's okay.
Right.
It's not even spicy. Mm.
It's just
good. It's good though. Really crunchy. Not spicy. It's okay.
Not too spicy for you? Like it more spicy, huh?
Nothing. Zero spice. Okay.
Then we got candy.
Ooh. Whitaker peanut slab. It's like a milk chocolate bar. You try this one?
So what
open it. It's like a milk chocolate bar, like a peanut butter. Oh my god, I'm struggling. You want to open it? Do it. I give up. It's too hard. I have too long nails to open it. There you go. Ooh.
By a little bit.
Oh my god. Kind of like look like those granola bars you would eat, right? Is it good? Let me taste it.
It's like chocolate.
No. It's just like...
I don't know, I don't eat that much chocolate either.
They're good. They're like chocolate with like peanuts. And I love peanuts. So yeah, it's really good.
I mean, yeah, people that
I'm gonna
like
have to finish this later.
Good,
It's not for you. You can't take this to work. It's mine.
No, I don't like chocolate.
Okay, next.
Okay, this is
Go ahead.
delicious. I don't know what it is.
It's like a Wonka.
What's a
Sherbet
Wonka?
Fizz. You know the Willy Wonka?
No.
Chocolate Factory? You ever seen that movie? With Johnny Depp? It's kind of like that. What's from that? Let's see. Ooh. Sherbet Fizz. This one's for you.
I don't want it. Oh,
Okay. Take a bite.
it looks really sugary.
Is it good? It's like this white thing inside.
I like that one.
Ooh.
It's
So good.
like sour.
Yeah.
Has a good taste.
Oh, I
Kinda like
love
sweet and
sour.
sour. Yeah, I like that one.
This is so good. Reminds me of those ropes. The rope candies. So good. Okay, next.
These are little. Oh look, got some milk shakes.
Ooh.
Vanilla. Oh, they have like different flavors. Oh no, they're all vanilla. I'm not sure if I want to eat that now. Guess I'll try a little bit from those. Tastes like milk.
It's okay. I don't know. Doesn't taste like anything. Right?
Has a little taste like ice cream though. Ice cream vanilla.
Doesn't taste like anything to me. Okay. Last one.
Morro.
Moro.
Morro.
A
Morro.
fistful of caramel, nougat, and Cadbury milk chocolate. So we'll see. Ooh, it's already like melting. Ooh. Oops. So that's what we gave since we didn't put it in the fridge. We should put it outside of the box. Okay.
So it's all like, there's a lot of caramel in there.
Oh my god, it reminds me of this candy when I was little. When I lived in Mongolia. It's called Mars. Those of you Mongolian viewers. Tastes like that.
Really sweet taste.
It's really good.
So that's the last
So
one.
yeah, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, how would you rate it, this box? Like the whole thing. From 0 to 10, 10 being delicious, 0 being ugh.
0 to 10? I don't know. I mean, they were like kind of good, so I gave them like 8.
Okay. I give it 9 because the little, this one didn't taste like anything. So 9.5, I'll give it. It was really good.
Yeah, like the sour ones.
Yeah, really good.
The chips are not that bad either. Yeah, the chocolate ones, I don't really eat that much chocolate. So,
yeah, he's not a sweet person.
Yeah. Me, I like some.
Yeah, like for me, I like spicy or like really sour stuff. And chocolate, I eat it like once in a while, but I'm not a chocolate fan. Like sometimes I crave it, but
you do eat more than me.
Of course I do. Look at me.
Chocolate, not food.
Okay, so this is the end of our video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And it was like a little short video, not like the long that we did in the past. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.